Min and max quantity is important for any wholesale store. And today, we will show you how to set up a minimum and maximum order quantity for your WooCommerce Wholesale Store. First, what's the required plugin? That's the main question, obviously. Well, in order to set up the minimum maximum quantities on Wholesale WooCommerce Store, we will use WholesaleX plugin. However, you can follow the tutorial and set up min-max by other plugins too. Setup should be similar to this video. Make sure you have installed and activate the WholesaleX free and pro version. This link is available in the description below. From this dashboard, under WholesaleX, click on the dynamic rule. Now, in this screen, click on the create dynamic rule, then a new input box will be added. Add a rule title and click on the toggle to change the rule status. In the rule type, you need to define whether you need a maximum quantity or a minimum quantity rule. For now, we are adding the minimum quantity rule. After that, select user or role and also select product filter. There is also an advanced option available in which you can set different conditions. Let's see how it works on the front end of your wholesale store. Here is a single product and we're going to add it into our cart. Now, the minimum quantity is added automatically because we have already mentioned in the previous term. So I'm trying to add less than 5 quantities here. Now, what you can see, it's giving me an error notice. Now again, get back to the dynamic rules for setting up maximum quantities. Again, the same process. Click on the create dynamic rule and the new input box will be added. Provide the name, update status, add rules and add the max quantity in numbers. Save changes and let's see the product from the front end. So now, see again, it's showing the same error notice of the quantity. This is how you can set up minimum and maximum quantities in your WooCommerce Wholesale Store. That's all about the tutorial. If you have anything more to ask, comment below. Stay tuned with us because we will bring more amazing tutorials soon. Thank you for joining with us.